What's up, Gadgeteers? Welcome back to Gadget. In today's video we have another accessory from DBrand. This time around it is the Prism 2.0. In my opinion, a high quality premium screen protector for your device. This one is for my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So without further ado, let's see what's inside. As always, very nice premium packaging from DBrand, and it matches the premium quality of their accessories. If you cannot, I can read instructions, basically the instructions of how to install the Prism 2.0, and if you can't read, then a video there, just scan that QR code. Now they do give you the easy installable tray here. This tray makes installation super simple and easy. The cleaning kit, and I believe they give you an extra one. There you go. As you can see, it is a 2-pack. You have an extra one down on the bottom, so make sure you do not throw this away. And installation is super simple. You do have very nice premium accessories here. You do have cleaning accessories. You have a pair of wipes, a squeegee, and a microfiber cloth that is branded by DBrand. Let's go ahead and show this nice little cloth here. Remove this bad boy. And the tray here. Now let's go ahead and remove the tempered screen protector that I have currently installed. What you want to do is wipe this bad boy down. Your microfiber cloth. And DBrand has made installation simple for you. You don't have to worry about any dust or anything like that. This bad boy goes over like so, right? It's nice in there. And what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and pull this and then slide your finger across like that. Then you're going to lift this bad boy off. And if you have moisture bubbles like that, just go ahead and take the squeegee and then squeegee them off to the side. But it is a flawless installation. Very nice and simple, as you can see. No issues, no dust. Very nice. Very nice screen protector. It's easily installed. No issues whatsoever. Very premium. Look at that. Does my fingerprint reader work? Let me see if and it works just fine. Look at that bad boy. Shout out to TK right there, making an appearance in my video. Boom. Let's go with it. Easily, no issues whatsoever. I didn't even have to program, and this bad boy is gonna work with all of DBrand's cases as well as other cases. They work just fine. Look at that. Boom. This is their grip case. Absolutely looks amazing and works just fine. Look at that. Boom. 2-pack. It doesn't get better than that. This is DBrand's Prism 2.0. Easily installable. No issues installing this tempered glass screen protector on your device. It's super simple. Doesn't get better than that. You get a 2-pack. If you have any questions regarding this or the installation, please leave them down in the comment section below, and link to this will be in the description of the video. I strongly recommend you pick one up for your device. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.